everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most and highly welcome, and if you're a subscriber, you are welcome equally. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a drink that would help you to remove your dark spots. Okay, so the thing is that I've actually been giving you a scrub that would scrub out the dark spots from the outside. Now if you add it with this drink, it's going to help you to increase the brightness on your skin, eliminating all of the dark spots and eliminating age spots, equally removing fine lines. So this drink is very important. You have to watch it till the end to know all of the ingredients that we are going to be using, and it's going to be superb. So stay put to know all of this, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, for your 10 minutes glowing skin drink, we're going to be making use of cucumber. Now why we need cucumber is because cucumber contains a lot of juice, and it also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. It helps in detoxifying the body. When your body is detoxified and clear, your skin is going to glow. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to be needing just a little of this, and then we're going to be cutting it in pieces, in cubes guys. So now we would have to transfer that into a blender, and then also we're going to be making use of carrot. Now carrot contains carotene that helps so much in polishing and glowing up the skin. It helps to make the skin look really glowing. It helps also with other ingredients that I'm going to be putting in to flush out toxins from your body by giving you that healthy glow. Okay, so now I have to cut it in cubes. Have to be washing it, yeah. And then we're going to be transferring it into the blender, just like this. And then also we're going to be making use of tomato. Have you actually tried drinking tomato juice before? Guys, try this particular one. You're not going to be regretting it. Tomato juice is a one ingredient that works so well, and it helps so much in clearing up dark spots, pigments, and it glows the skin also. So I'm going to be cutting that into pieces and assisting my blender to blend it really well. And this is it. So now I will be needing a little piece of apple, just a little, because we have other ingredients that are much. So we're equally going to be putting that into the blender. So we have cucumber, we have carrots, we have tomato, and we have apple in here. And now we would have to be adding in a little water. Then we would be blending this. Okay, so we're done blending, and you can actually decide to take this drink this way, or you can sieve it out. But this is not the only ingredient. Yeah, watch to the end to see all of the full benefiting ingredients for this 10-minute glow remedy. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll have to sieve it out. Now if you have a juicer, you can also just juice everything out. I have a juicer, but it's actually quite big. Okay, so I'm gonna I prefer doing it this way. Okay guys, so this is how it is. This is your 10-minute drink to glow and polish up your skin, but this is actually not all. Yeah, okay, so the next one we're going to be needing is banana, and banana is a great remedy for the skin. It helps to make your skin look really supple and young. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be grabbing banana, and we're still gonna be needing our blender. Now I'll have to be pouring in the juice, okay, into the blender, and then I'll blend it all out plus the banana. And this is how it is. This is how it looks like. It's actually really yummy, nice, and a great skin remedy. This is it. Okay, try this for every evening. Okay, it's just a 10-minute skin glowing remedy. When you use this, it's gonna glow your skin from the inside basically, and your skin is gonna be looking plump, beautiful, and whatever you apply from the outside is gonna respond and it's gonna be looking really nice and glowing, and your skin is gonna be bright, removing all of the dark spots, age spots, and all related problems. Okay guys, so you see that, go try that. Like, trust me, I know some of those ingredients you're like, okay, you know this already, but you've actually never combined them together to have a very glowing and spotless skin. So try this and let me know after 1 month. Let me know how it is, because I'm sure your skin is going to be glowing from afar. Okay, so if you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I would see you again. Bye guys, and stay flawless, beautiful and spotless. Bye.